Hey guys, welcome back to Mini Bike Store video blog. In this video I'm gonna be unboxing the Hobbit Sport 49cc mini dirt bike from Nitro Motors. You can purchase this bike from our website, the link is in the description. I will show you step by step how to assemble the bike properly. So let's open the box. Here is the bike. In the box it is well secured, as you can see. Here on the front you will find the mudguard, so remove the mudguard first. At the back is the box with some tools, so you have to remove the box. Next, remove the bike and place it on some stand. So here is the bike out of the box. With the bike you will get the user manuals. You can have a read the user manual. We will do the video how to start the bike, how to prepare fuel, so you can watch our videos. You will also find in the box the front wheel, the bottle to prepare fuel mixture, the foam for the handlebars, the stand, the front axle with the nut, and bag with tools and bolts. So first open the bag with tools and parts. First you will need to assemble the handlebars, so unwrap the handlebars. Place the handlebars in position like this. Then prepare 2 clamps and 4 bolts. You need 2 shorter bolts and 2 longer ones. Place the clamp on the top of the handlebars and then the shorter bolt from the front. The same on the other side. Place the second clamp on the top and insert the front bolt, the shorter one. Here on the side you will find the ignition, so move the ignition to the top and place it on the top of the forks here. Then insert the longer bolt through the ignition and insert the second one. Place the handlebars in the middle position and then tight all 4 bolts well. Next, check the brake levers, make sure they are tight. If not, just tighten the bolts here. Next you will need to install the front mudguard. Here is the front mudguard. Remove the screws here. Then the second screw. Next, tighten both bolts. Now you will need to install the front wheel. So here is the wheel, you can check it's inflated. Here we have an axle and two spacers. So first insert the axle a little bit, then use the longer spacer from this side. Insert the wheel, make sure you place the disc brake into the between the brake pads, and then push the axle through the wheel. Use the second spacer from this side. And then through the second fork. And secure the wheel with the nut and tighten it well. Next you have to check the brake, make sure it's properly adjusted. It is here. Next you have to move to the back. We will need to connect the rear shock here at the bottom. So first we need to prepare the bolt and the nut. Insert the shock in the holder on the axle and place the bolt through it. Secure the bolt with the nut and tighten it well. Next you will need to check the rear wheel and turn it. Make sure it moves freely. If needed, regulate the brake. You can regulate the brake by turning these two screws. Now it's okay. So next you will need to install the foot pegs. Here are the bolts, so you need to insert the foot peg here and then insert the bolt and tighten it well. The same on the other side. And the last step is to install the foam on the handlebars. So place the foam here. So the bike now is fully assembled. In the next video I'm gonna show you how to start this bike properly. I will also do the review video. If you like the bike, you can purchase it from our website. The link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.